So we're here tonight mixing some silver thiosulfate from STS. Silver thiosulfate.ca, STS spray. Got the DIY dry kit. For this we had to get some distilled water. Contents of A, we're going 125 mils distilled water. And contents B, we'll go in 125 mils of water. I'm going to stir them, and they will go in to A and B in the brown bottles to go in the fridge until we're ready to mix and do our spray. So when the spray is done, we take 50 milliliters of A and 50 milliliters of B, and we mix them together in 30 seconds. Stir them together. Once those are together, then we add 900 milliliters of distilled water to make 1 liter of STS spray. So my spray bottles are on the way, so I'm just going to go ahead and get this stuff mixed up now tonight. Have it all ready for when I'm ready to go. The first one, content A. Little hard crystal in there. Sure it'll dissolve. There it goes. Still a few pieces, but let's soak for a minute. I got the second mixing jar and second stuff, so I wouldn't have to clean everything in between. If you're using the same one, you're going to want to thoroughly clean everything and rinse it with distilled water before you go on to mixing your second solution, or do it this way. I picked up these small measuring cups at Walmart for a couple bucks. I have to get a funnel, I guess, to pour them into the bottles. You might look at the instructions, it might seem confusing, but if you break it down and look at it and take your time with it, it's not that complicated. So after your spray is, like I say, you take 50 mils of A, 50 mils of B, mix them together, add it to 900 mils of distilled water to make your 1 liter surfactant, or your 1 liter of STS. So then you use this as a surfactant. What's the name on it again? Yucca extract. Acts as a surfactant in so that the water doesn't bead right off your leaves when you're spraying, and it'll help it coat the leaf better to get a better spray. So when I stir these a little bit more, and I'll get them put in the bottles, and when I go to mix up and spray, I'll do another little video for you guys. And shout out to silverthiosulfate.ca. You want to check them out if you're interested in these products, and you can already buy the pre-mixed kit. We've mixed on the day it's sent out to you. So check them out. Stay tuned.